everyone, Mitch here from Mom and Kid Style. I hope everyone is doing well and safe during this time. I just wanted to share something with you all today on how we could get more motivated and track our progress and stay fit while we're staying at home. I am a mom of two and I work from home. And lately, I don't really get enough exercise. I was really busy, and truth is, I don't really own any weighing scale. So I don't really see if I'm making any progress. So I have been taking healthy greens. So if you watch my last video, that's what I've been doing. And I've been trying to, as much as possible, eat healthy foods. So the main thing that I need is a weighing scale so that way I could be able to see and track my progress. And I was so happy because today they sent me a package, and this is from Inevifit company. So they sent me an Eros Smart Weighing Scale. I'm so excited to unbox this one, guys, for y'all, and also we could set this one up and see the review on this, on how this one works. So if you decided later on in this video to try this one out for yourself, you could find my affiliate link in my description box, and I also have a coupon code there for you guys. But before we proceed to this video, I would really appreciate if you're going to subscribe in my channel. So without further ado, let's go proceed to the unboxing. That I like about this product, it allows you to accurately monitor your body weight and 13 key fitness metrics to reach your fitness goals faster. So it comes with a free Eros scale apps that is available on any iOS and Android device. And what's more good thing about this is you can have unlimited numbers of users that you can add on using your phone, and you could easily track, their progress in there. So it's really a good thing. So it comes with a free battery, so it's ready for you to use right away after you receive the product. And yeah, I like how it looks, and it comes with a 5 years warranty. So I really like this product. It gives you more reason and make you get motivated to love and care for your body. So yeah, I hope you like this one too. And if you wanted to try it for yourself, you could find the affiliate link in my description box as well as the discount code. If you like this video, guys, and as always, stay safe, and I'll see you all in our next one. Bye!